We're going to show you in our showroom here that's always changing. And today it's feature equipments that we have here to show you and share with you is three particular machines for anyone that's considering creating a process line of pastry, uh, meatballs, croquettes, round products, cylindrical products. We have the machines here for you. So in terms of the startup of the three machines that I'd like to display here today, it's this one here. And what's special about this machine here is you can do all types of products. I've laid out some of the features here. So over here, as a customer, you would be receiving with the piece of the equipment, you will receive all these options, which gives you all the different components to be able to do filling. These are the filling tubes, and these are the tubes here for the dough. Over here, you have a cylinder as well to produce the pogos or the sausages with the dough, and this is the adapters here. Now, I'm going to share with you as well all the different shapes that this machine is capable of doing. And over here you can see that it can do croquettes, it can do cheese balls, empanadas, coxinhas, kibe, and churros. It can do all types of shapes and sizes. So you can see here is the filling on the inside. You can change the thickness and the dough thickness and filling. Now, if you're asking, is this a powerful enough piece of equipment? Yes, it is. This machine here. So here's another example of the type of product that it can produce here. And this is the part that you would be using to make that. You would be putting this cylinder in here, and we would be taking this part out, right? And then you would be putting this part here. And from there, you would then be putting the sausages in here. We'd remove this jaw, and then after the sausages would come out through here. Very easy to operate. Now, what's special about this machine here is that it can produce a whole bunch of products, and it is very, very fast. You can see here in terms of the amount of grams that you're looking for your product. Depending on the amount of grams, you can see that it can do quite a bit, 6,330 units per hour. So you have and so on. So that's very important there. So over here you have the option to put the filling, and on this side here you have the option to do the dough, right? Whatever type of filling that you want, it'll grab it there, and then the dough. So you'll be feeding it through that way, and then the product will be coming out here, and then it would be using what we call here the cutting jaw. As the product is coming out, the jaw would then cut it. It would go on the belt. And what's great about this machine, it has some nice safety features, right? It has a safety sensor here. When it's opened, it will not operate. When it's closed, it operates. And then after, you also easy to clean this equipment. One of the key features of this particular product compared to others is that it's very easy to disassemble and very easy to put in the jaw parts and components inside there. Okay, you can wash that very nicely. And then the belt also comes out by taking this out. This is a small factory here that can produce a lot of product. Now, what's great about this is that on the tabletop scenario, like here, you can have the product fall. Okay, there's a little bit of a gap here, but this is easily adjustable so that this goes over it and it'll fall into the batter breading machine. So this is our tabletop version, full stainless steel batter breading machine. And over here, this machine here, it might look small, but it can produce quite a bit. You can see here that the capacity is 3,000 to 8,000 pieces per hour, 300 kgs. All right, 300 kgs capacity, and that is dependent on the type of product that you can do. So when operating, you can close it, right? Keep it closed, and at the same time, you can watch your product. And here you have your functionality here in terms of what's great about this machine here, that it has a velocity speed regulator, that you can control the speed of how fast the product moves. Now let's open it up again, and we are going to see that over here we have the the bath area, right? So this is where you put your liquid product. As it's going through here, it'll fall into this area. As long as your product fits in here and it goes through, then you can bread your product. Your breading will go in here and it circulates, and you can it recycles, and that way the product will then come out this way. Now, another good companion piece of equipment is the hot mixer. So if you what's special about this, I have it all opened up here so that you can see. So there's two different types of pots, right? So you have the aluminum pot, and then you have the stainless steel pot with a Teflon mixer. This is an option, right? So this is good for your hot dough mixing, all right, and for your other types of mixes. This pot here is good for your jams, hot jams, your liquid type mixes. That's what that's good for, like chocolate, that type of stuff. So you can put this in here in the hot mixer, and this particular model is a capacity of 10 liters, okay, 10 kilograms. Just showing this up here a little close so you guys can see. That's the capacity of this one here, okay. Now, and you have here also the ability to control the speed of how fast it mixes, and you can see that it closes there very nicely. Once it's closed, you can bring it down here, okay, and then we lock it over there in the locking mechanism right there. Okay, and it's just a matter of tightening up the knob. And once it's tightened, it stays there in position. And then once you are mixing, this is great for many types of products in the pastry industry, right? Where you want to put it right there, right here on the notch of the screw. Yeah, right there. And once that's there, so this will mix, it'll rotate, right? And you control the speed. Excellent. It's for the people that's doing a lot of labor intensive mixing with the hands and the arms, this will save you a lot of time and labor. And it's also gas, natural gas, and you can control the ability to how fast it works. And you have the speed regulator here again, right? And you can open and close. Very safe to work with. Okay. Now these are the three machines that I wanted to share with you, and these are great companion machines. Okay, and they all work together if you wanted to produce. I wanted to share something with you here as well. This machine here, you can control. So we're going to close that there. This, you can control how fast this moves up and down. The faster it moves, the more it'll make the product smaller or bigger. You can control all the functions over here. Okay, so you have all your functions, and this is a counter. It counts how much you produced all day. Now this machine is, like I mentioned, you can pretty much think of a whole company where you can produce a lot of sweet and sour product. Okay, you can have the options of the one set here from what I've done here to make it easier for the customer is recommended sets. This all comes with the machine. You have 7 to 9 grams. You have 10 to 15 with filling number 1 with the filler. So that's what this is here, right? And then you have another set, depending on the grams that you've selected. That's there too. A set number 3. You have a set number 4. It can go a maximum of 150, right? So from 7 grams to all the way to 150 grams product that you can do. Right, and again, control, and then you have a churro adapter, right? You can do that too, and you have an adapter here so that you can control and work with this, right? And then you have another set here, another set that again, easy to interchange the sets. You can do the cylindrical type product, you can do round, square, you can do pastry. You can do the square. We can do the square, right? Many different types of products. This machine here can really put you up in the next level of business, right? So this is it's compact. 2 people can pick up this machine. It's not that heavy. And as long as you can keep feeding this product here, you can fill up the product here, and then it'll produce by itself, pretty much self-maintains, and then you can carry on to our batter breading machine. Anyway, if you are interested in this equipment, you can always contact CM Machine Services. We will try to bring some more live demos and videos for you. We find that our customers appreciate that. And if you like this video, feel free to click a thumbs up and maybe recommend to some other people. But here is a complete business in three pretty much machines here. Excellent production. Full stainless steel, excellent quality. Give us a call at 905-793-3994. And you can reach one of our salespeople. All right, thanks, and have a great day.